So just keep watching the video, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to get back to you guys and help. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to hack the app JOI and get unlimited coins on it. So let me open it up right here, and as you can see, we are not exactly rich, but when we press this button, we can add unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock, guys, and it's going to bring up the coins. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see, guys, this is what we got right now. So hopefully it starts going up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins on JOI. So as you can see, it says finalized, so let's see if it goes up. Hopefully it starts increasing, and there we go. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins on this. Super cool. So let's get straight into the video, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, go to matrixmods.com, and once you're on this site, guys, just type in JOI, and once it comes up, you're going to see it. So go ahead and press download, and then we have to do this verification. So we need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So it's basically going to say like missing files or something, and you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says additional files are required. So we just have to get 2 of these apps, which are all completely free. So as you can see, we got Travel Town, TikTok, Mode Casino. So this Travel Town one's just like reach level 9, so just press continue. Takes you to the App Store, and you just gotta play it until you reach level 9. So as you can see, I'm just running it right here. So this one's a game, so I just gotta play through it, just doing some basic interactions. Should be all good to go. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So as you can see, I'm just running it. So then go back to the list, and I just got to get some more. So for instance, I could do Mode Casino, which says follow instructions on the next page. We got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. So you just want to make sure you do some of these apps, and then you're going to have the JOI mod on your device. So let's go to the App Store and see how much it costs, because I know y'all will be interested in that. So here's the app. You don't need the app installed, but it's very expensive, so if you come down here, you can see very bad. But let's go Play Store. So I'm just gonna type in JOI Play Store, and as you can see, it's really expensive. So it's somewhere in here, but yeah, this is crazy. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you want to get unlimited coins on the JOI. But yeah, it's super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool. So if you need to get unlimited coins 2026, be sure to get the word out. I've tried this a number of times. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to get unlimited coins on JOI, because this is so cool. And it actually works. Like, bro, no one would have thought. But it is real. So yeah, get the word out, guys. This is super cool. So if you need to get unlimited coins in JOI, now you know how to do it. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out. As you can see, that's crazy, bro. So yeah, be sure to try it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of people that don't know about this method. So that's why I thought I would share it with you guys so you guys can learn. But this is super cool, and it's totally working, so be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, my squad. Get the word out about this tutorial. It is super cool, so I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, be sure to tell your friends, and peace out, my crew.